In the quiet dawn, where mist hugs the earth, life flows gently combed. This is where comfort begins.
Here, geese and ducks live freely, nurtured with care, clean water, and open skies.
Their days follow a peaceful rhythm: eat, swim, rest. It's a life built on harmony.
With time, nature gifts them new feathers, layers of warmth shaped by patience and purity.
Only what falls naturally is gathered. No harm, no haste, just nature's generosity.
Every feather is checked, the softest chosen for the journey ahead. From calm fields to humming machines, the transformation begins.
Each batch is tested, color, density, and resilience, ensuring perfection in every detail.
Purity is restored through water, each feather washed in natural, chemical-free cycles.
Warm air flows through, drying, fluffing, and reviving softness.
Air currents separate the finest down, lighter than a whisper, softer than a cloud.
Only flawless down moves forward. Every piece tells a story of nature's precision.
Protected from moisture and dust, they wait for their next transformation.
Threads are born from cotton blends, each line connecting technology and tradition.
Here, nature's softness meets human craftsmanship. This fabric isn't just cloth. It's the first touch of tranquility.
Precision looms weave patterns tighter than air. This fabric becomes the skin of comfort.
To protect these delicate feathers, a special fabric must be made. Breathable, soft, yet strong. Every cut is measured with precision, the beginning of form and structure. The heart of comfort enters, down filling each corner like drifting clouds. Thread by thread, softness is locked inside, perfection sealed with care. Machines test resilience. A pillow must always return to its promise. The human touch remains, eyes trained to spot even a single imperfection. Safety meets purity, each pillow sanitized before finding its home. From nature's simplicity to a mark of human pride, this is the final signature of craftsmanship.
Each product is carefully folded and wrapped gnarly, sealed in transparent protection.
Rows of perfection, awaiting their journey to the world.
From the heart of the factory, these symbols of softness travel toward new dreams. From quiet villages to global cities, comfort finds its path. Displayed with pride, a fusion of tradition, technology, and tenderness.
The first touch, a silent promise of peace.
Now, the story meets its purpose besaid. From wetlands to dreams.
Each layer designed for breathability, warmth, and care. Here, engineering meets emotion.
And yet, the cycle continues. Ethical sourcing ensures nature thrives alongside comfort.
Behind every product stands a craftsman, guided by patience, precision, and pride.
As one journey ends, another begins to. Nature renews, endlessly generous.
Every feather carries a memory poem of sky, of care, of creation.
From nature's heart to human hands, this is not just manufacturing big, it's the art of comfort.